Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Changing your iPhone password regularly is a good practice to enhance the security of your device and protect your personal information. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process to change your iPhone password. Let's begin. First, open your settings by tapping it. In the Settings section, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode in old models of iPhone. Once found, tap it. After that, it will ask for your password. Now we are in the Face ID and Passcode section. Scroll down until you find Change Passcode. Tap it. It will ask for your old passcode. After verifying your old passcode, you can now type in your new passcode. You can also change your passcode type by tapping Passcode options. Changing your iPhone password regularly helps protect your privacy and keep your device secured. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you've successfully updated your iPhone password. If you ever need to change it again in the future, you can always return to the Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode settings. Stay secured and enjoy your iPhone. Thank you for watching.